Thanks for joining me. I'm Tequila B here at TruLuv Designz, and I want to talk about fall fabric. Yes, I did just do a fabric haul from Hobby Lobby, but I had some other fabrics and I really want to showcase them because I have not. Disclaimer, I did go back to Hobby Lobby and picked up another piece of fabric. This time it was actually 75% off. Yep, it's another leopard print. This is a leopard sweater knit in the color oatmeal and mocha. Now this was full price $11.99. With 75% off, it ended up being $2.99. So I did get 4 yards of this because you just can't beat 75% off. So I know that just about everyone shops at Walmart. If you are a sewist, a crafter, whatever, if you purchase fabric and you don't check out Walmart for fabric, you are missing out. This next particular sweater knit I purchased at Walmart either last December or somewhere at the beginning of January or February. This was 4 for $4 at Walmart. If you're not familiar with their fabric bundles, in the section with their fabric that's on the boats, there's always a little section, just some shelves with baskets or whatnot, where you can find bundles of fabric. Some 2 yards for $2, 4 yards for $4, 3 yards for $8, maybe 2 yards for $6. It just depends on what the fabric is and the material or whatnot. But you can get some great fabric at some pretty reasonable prices if you check Walmart's fabric bundles. But I did purchase 2 of these bundles, and in my mind at that time I saw cardigans for my husband and I. These next few pieces of fabric, I loved them when I saw them and I just could not pass them up. I think they were meant just for me. I saw 4 bundles in 4 different color schemes. And I felt it was perfect because I have 3 daughters. So they're always in my closet, and sometimes they're into the same fabric that I'm into and want things out of fabric that I've said I really wanted to make something out of. So when I saw these 4 pieces of fabric, I said, okay, yeah, I'm getting all 4 because they're going to want this. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. You cannot tell me that these are not cute. And they are all my favorite animal prints. So this is tan on black, red on tan, blue on red, and tan on red. I did ask them when I first purchased the fabric and they saw it, I asked everyone which color they wanted, and of course I would just take whatever was left. Now I don't remember who asked for what, so I have to ask again, and it's going to be an argument. Somebody's going to forget and ask for something different, but we'll figure it out. I'm thinking about making us some joggers that we can lounge in and be comfortable in and just kind of be dressed alike. This is something I could probably make for us all and we could wear on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve. I have one more fabric to show you. This bundle is 3 yards for $8. Martika J Makes is hosting a sewing challenge for diabetes awareness, which is the month of November, and it's the Sew Blue Challenge. When she first announced it and I decided that I was going to participate in the challenge, I knew I needed some blue fabric. So my husband and I went to Walmart maybe a week ago and I saw this bundle. I grabbed it and then I got to the counter and I was like, I don't need it. We're in Walmart yesterday, same thing. I go back just to see if I can find this bundle. Lo and behold, there was this bundle. This is what I'm going to use for the Sew Blue Challenge. So please check out Martika J Makes video on the Sew Blue Challenge. I'll be sure to add a link in the description box as well. It's a great cause. It's for the month of November, and what else do you have to do? Come on. Other than that, go out and get yourself some winter fabric, some fall and winter fabric, because it is all on sale in most places, and you can pick up some really good stuff at some really good deals and prices. Now that you've seen it, go make it and slay it.